ganito kahaba ang ipakilala ko. Well, we matter, but what matters most is what has happened 3 years hence. Hindi na ako mag-total kilala mo. What is important is gusto ko agad magsalita. Kaya ako ay boarded the truck and called for the guys who has had or who have a thing to work in connection with the Yolanda victims. Alam mo, I came 3 years ago when this incident happened. And I was sad. Ngayon, sinabi ko sa kanila sa truck, hindi ako galit. Do not be offended. But pagtanong ko, 3 years after, ilang tao pa lang ang nakatira sa mga bunk houses or the relief houses that are provided by government. I am not satisfied. As a matter of fact, it's BS to me. 3 years, wala pa'y nakabalhin kaayo. Ano ba naman? Huwag na lang natin ituloy kaya yan. Gawin na natin sementeryo. Maghintay ng Yolanda Jr. Alak. Hindi ko akalain. You know, I just introduced reforms in the national government. In the national offices, irrespective of the department, they are only given 1 month to process the papers. It must be out by 1 month. Ang local government, since you are not under me directly, I do not have the control, but I have the supervision, I will be coming out of rules. That binds everybody, including government corporations. Na kung ganitong LOA, said, di ako galit sa inyo, itong LOA, NHA, DPWH. You do that again, and I will fire all of you. I will ask you to resign. Totoo. Total, mga kaibigan ko, dito sa itaas, nakikinig yan. Ang problema sa down, it's not pouring, it's trickling in trickles. And this, I don't know, alam mo, indolence is part of corruption. When you are paid for 8 hours to do your work, magtrabaho ka ng 8 hours, do not shortchange the public. Now, this 3 years, wala na 2 years na, then we are all Christians. If you read the Bible, it is only God who controls everything, including the reason why we are here. It's mind-boggling, but we do not have the answer. What he proposed to us, at least in the Bible, which says that he will come back here to judge the living and the dead. We believe in the Holy Spirit, the Catholic Church. So, about 3 years from now, magbaba na naman si Kristo to judge us the living and the dead. And the theory is that the dead will rise from itself. I don't know kung saan yan. Maglibingan ba tayo kung mayroon pa? O yung houses na yan, kung hindi pa matapos yung sunod buwan, ay gawain mo na lang crematorium yan. Oh. Kasi anong sabihin ko dito? What am I supposed to say here? 3 years now has passed, at kayo naghintay na lang ng isa pang typo na sana pagdating namin dito, wala ng tao para we do not have to say, I am sorry na dumating ng ganito. Really, ako po'y naghihingi ng tawad sa inyo. But for all others, I have fired so many men in government. It's either magkaintindihan tayo, hindi. Ako ho, I propose something like this. I was not elected to sit down there. It was never my ambition to be president. Kung nandyan na rin ako, trabaho na lang tayo lahat. Because ako, I never coveted the position. Alam ko lang, alam ninyo, wala akong isang congressman, wala akong isang governor except Jaime and Governor Garcia of Bataan and a governor in Mindanao. The only lady and the only reason why na sinuportahan niya ako kasi kasintahan ko siya. Kaya na totoo, hindi ako nagpapatawa. She used or was or girlfriend ko noon. And totoo, nanalo ako except for Davao. Wala akong isang barangay captain sa Central Luzon. That's why the sense of commitment is there because wala kang pera, wala kang makinarya, and yet the Filipino people give you an overwhelming mandate to serve. If this is the kind of service that I came here for, I'm sorry, I said, I do not want to offend anybody. I am not satisfied. Now, 3 years, how many days?